Hey folks, today we're doing a full review of the Margex crypto exchange. Margex is an exchange with the goal of making trading as streamlined and user-friendly as possible. They're focused on futures trading and they offer a wide range of different assets that you can trade with up to 100x leverage. Margex is also a non-KYC exchange, meaning you can trade anywhere in the world, although I believe you might need a VPN in some countries like the US, but you'll be able to access all the trading features without handing over your personal info. Now, just before we get into it, I'm running a campaign with Margex right now where the top 20 users who sign up and trade under my affiliate link will all receive USDT rewards straight into your account. So if you like what you see in this video and you do want to check out Margex, my link to sign up will be down below. Okay, here we are on the big Margex exchange. The first thing we're going to take a look at today is the futures trading interface. As you can see, we've got a nice clean layout going on over here, and this layout is actually slightly customizable as well. If you want, you can go ahead and move your order form over to the right. Personally, I'm an order form on the left kind of guy myself. If you want to make your chart a little bit bigger as well, you can actually hide the order book. Okay, over on our order form on the left, you can see we've got either limit, market, or stop market orders. And of course, for our margin modes, you can do either cross or isolated margin. In terms of leverage, you can do anywhere from 5 all the way up to 100x. Now, something to bear in mind with Margex compared to a few other exchanges is in this box here, you actually put your order size after leverage and not the order cost. So for example, if you wanted to trade with a $50 margin at 5x leverage, you would put 250 USD in this box here, because that is going to be your order cost or your margin amplified by your leverage. I just thought that's worth pointing out because in some exchanges you put the order cost in this box instead. Okay, in terms of trading pairs, you have quite a lot of different options to choose from here. Basically every major altcoin that you'd want, and you got the new listings over in this tab. Okay, the next feature I want to talk about here is the copy trading. This is exactly what it sounds like. It lets you copy other traders on Margex with the click of a button. You can see we've got quite a lot of traders to choose from here based on your preferred trading and risk management strategies. If you look at this guy at the top here, for example, 796% ROI, he's doing pretty good. Got 190 people following him. So yeah, if copy trading's your thing, feel free to check this out. Okay, next up here we got the buy crypto options. Margex does actually give you a few options to buy crypto with your bank card. You basically just enter how much you want to buy here. Like if I want to spend 100 USD on Bitcoin, then it's going to show me whatever payment providers are available for that transaction. Now, of course, you probably will need to do KYC for these payment providers, so just bear that in mind. If you already have crypto in your other wallets or exchanges, of course, you can just deposit directly to Margex. Then that will show up in your Margex wallet here. You can also stake your assets directly on Margex if you want to and earn up to 7% APY, even on stablecoins, which I think is a pretty decent yield for stables. Now, when it comes to support, they do have live chat support available. I believe this operates 24/7. So yeah, that is going to be helpful to answer any questions or issues you might have. They've also got a lot of helpful guides and video tutorials available down at the bottom here to show you how to take advantage of the platform, how to use the copy trading, set up stop loss and take profits, all that good stuff. But yeah, overall, a very solid and snappy feeling trading platform. I think one of my favorite things about Margex is just the whole simplicity of everything. They don't try and overload you with a load of different features that you're never going to use like a lot of other platforms do. They just focus on delivering the basics really well in a very nice user-friendly interface. And yeah, I think this is going to be a great platform, especially if you're brand new to trading or you're just looking for quick order execution without all the distractions of the other big platforms. Once again, folks, if you do want to check it out, my link to sign up to Margex will be down below. That will get you access to that exclusive campaign where you can earn those USDT rewards just for trading on Margex. For now though, I've been me, you've been you. Thanks for watching and see you later.